আমি এখন দাঁড়িয়ে আছি রামবাবুর বাড়ি নামে পরিচিত মাগুরা জেলার বিনোদপুর ইউনিয়নে অবস্থিত এই বাড়িটি অনেক পুরনো। এই বাড়িটি এটা নির্মিত হয়েছে ব্রিটিশ আমলে। এটার পাশেই একটা মন্দির আছে।
যদি আমি ভুল না করি এটা হচ্ছে সরস্বতী দেবী, যাকে জ্ঞানের দেবী বলা হয় according to Hindus belief. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm standing in Binodpur village in Magura district of Bangladesh. Behind me is an old historical structure known as Rambabu's house. The place carries more than 100 years local heritage. Rambabu belongs to a well-known land-owning family during the British period. His ancestors were influenced and local businessmen, So this house was traditionally lime and shurki, which was common construction style of wealthy families in Bangla during that era. Once upon a time, this house stood proudly, was a symbol of a social status, culture and powerful in this region. But today, Rambabu's house is on the verge of collapse due to lack of maintenance and proper preservation. The building is slowly disappearing. Many parts of the structure are damaged. The walls are cracking and the nature is taking over that was once majestic home. Even then, the remaining ruins tell the silent story. Places like these are not just old buildings, they are places our history. These remind us how society changed over time. So Rambabu's house is an important heritage site for the people who lived in Magura and also for who respect the history and the culture. If preserved properly, this place could become a beautiful historical attraction. I hope someday it will get attention it truly deserves.